Today, I'll walk you through how to create bins in Power BI to group numeric data, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to categorize your data into manageable groups so you can analyze it more effectively. Let's begin by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functions remain the same. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the Data or Report view. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Data pane. This is where all your data columns are displayed. Think of it as your toolbox, ready for you to pick the right tool for the job. Now find the numerical column you want to group. This could be something like age or total sales. Selecting the right column is crucial as it will determine how your bins are formed. Next, right-click on the column name. A menu will pop up and from there select New Group. This action is like saying, I want to organize my data, and Power BI is ready to assist you. Now it's time to name your new group column. Give it a clear name such as Age Bins. This will help you easily identify what this group represents later on. Moving on, ensure that the group type is set to bin. This setting is essential as it tells Power BI that you want to create bins rather than any other type of grouping. Next, you'll choose how you want to divide your data. There are two main options here, size of bins and number of bins. If you select size of bins, you'll define the width of each bucket. For example, entering 10 for an age column creates groups like 0 to 9, 10 to 19, and so on. This is the most common option and is great for creating ranges that are easy to understand. Alternatively, if you choose number of bins, you'll determine how many buckets you want in total. For instance, entering 4 will split your entire data range into 4 equal-size spans. Power BI will automatically calculate the size for you, making this option straightforward. And there you have it. You've successfully created bins in Power BI to group your numeric data. This process not only helps in organizing data, but also enhances your ability to analyze trends and patterns effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.